Alright guys, today I'm going to talk to you about wiring up 3-prong rocker switches to your 12-volt batteries. And this is going to save you a lot of energy instead of running an inverter. So right here I have my positive bus bar. Right here I have a negative bus bar. That red wire runs to my battery. That black wire runs to my battery. So from the positive bus bar, we got wires that run to this fuse box. And then from the fuse box, I have a wire that runs to the positive for the switch. And then there's a middle wire from the switch. And that runs to the positive to your accessory, which for me is right here. So you see I got my red wire running from the switch to my accessory, and then we have a negative wire running from the accessory and from the switch to the negative ground bar right there, which runs to the negative to the battery. So that's the full circuit. So it's very simple. It's going to save you a lot of energy. Your negative on your switch will always be a copper bar. Now you can't see it because of the connectors, but that's a copper bar. Very simple, on off. And I just wanted to put this video out there to show you how simple it is to wire a 3-prong rocker switch to a fuse box in your car, your van, and save you a lot of energy. Something I was really confused about. Didn't really see a lot of good videos out there explaining how this works. So that's it. And you can wire these to pretty much anything that's 12 volt. So, very simple.